and I wish I could cite the source other than my friend, but a friend of mine who was studying to be a nurse sat in a class, and when she heard my lecture, she goes, I got to tell you a story. She told me a story about some paper or whatever they were reading, some case study, where they had taken these focus groups of criminals, let's say murderers, thieves, and whatever, adulterers or something, let's say, just for the sake of argument. And they had them in focus groups. The people who had committed the same, what we would call sin, they were calling poor lifestyle decisions, we would call it sin. They found genetically that each of the people in this focus group had a genetic scar, a marker on their DNA in the same location. Different location, same marker for that group, same with this one. Now, I thought, well, I mean, that may explain why a spiritual act of sin gets passed down genetically through the physicality of our DNA. If it in fact puts a marker, an epigenetic marker perhaps, on your DNA, then maybe that's how it's passed down. I would love to see the same focus group study done. Let's say this guy gets saved. Let's test him again. I don't know. It's all speculation at this point. I just find it fascinating.